Hi viewers! In this video, I'm gonna show you an easiest recipe, vegetable curry. Let's get started. So let me start with the ingredients required for this recipe. I have taken 3 onions with 1 tomato and few ginger pieces with few garlic pieces and 2 chilies according to the spiciness we required. You could add or reduce chilies and peppers as you wish. Also, I have taken few peppers, that is 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and cumin seeds with 1 tablespoon of grated coconut and few pieces of cashews. So I'm going to grind all this as a paste for this curry. Let me keep it aside. So apart from this, we need vegetables for this vegetable curry. I have taken 3 carrots with 3 potatoes and few peas. For sauteing, I have taken few bay leaves with few cassia bark and stone flowers and few star anise seeds and with 1 chili. Next is half a tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder with 2 pinches of turmeric powder. Next is oil as required and salt as required and a cup of milk. I have chopped all the vegetables and I am ready to start the recipe now. I am adding required amount of oil to the already heated pan, and once it gets heated I am adding all the curry varieties which I had in my ingredients, and I'm adding the chilies as well. So let it saute well, and I'm adding all the chopped vegetables with it. I'm mixing it well now so that it could cook in oil and curry flavor and gives out a very good aroma. I'm allowing it to stay in heat for 5 minutes. I'm again remixing it and allowing it for another 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the mixture which I grinded already. I'm now mixing everything together so it boils well. Right after that, I'm adding the chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder with required amount of salt. I'm mixing it well again so it cooks out with all these spices. You will get a nice aroma at this stage. At last, I'm adding a cup of milk to it and I let it boil for at least 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, just check whether the vegetables are cooked really well. If not, please allow it for another 5 or 10 minutes. So once your curry is ready, you will find this consistency. And now your tasty vegetable curry is ready. So this goes well with chapati and rice. Try it out and post your comments in the comment section. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel to show your support, and please post your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today. See you later with the next video. Bye bye.